Diamond Painters and Crafters. Trisha here with Jewelry and Creations, and today I'm going to be doing two diamond painting unboxings from Diamond Dotz. These are two new ones that you can pick up at Joann's, and yes, you can use the coupons. They are a Disney collection, Toy Story. We have Woody and Buzz, which is actually, I think the Woody one is called Sheriff something. Woody the Sheriff. And then Buzz is called Buzz to Infinity and Beyond. So we'll get started with Woody first. So they'll be short and sweet little unboxings because these are only 12 by 12s. On the box it shows you just some information. This is by Diamond Dotz. It's not powered by Diamond Dotz. It's actually from the Diamond Dot company. And it is a partial, so the only diamond painting you'll be doing is this little picture here, even though the picture looks like here. So, let's get into this. We'll cut it open. So, in here, you get everything you need to do this kit. Now, this kit is a little bit of on the expensive side, but again, use those coupons. The kit itself is like $27.99, which, yes, for a little 12 by 12 partial is very expensive, but it is a licensed Disney painting, and it is powered by Diamond Dotz. So as you can see, let me roll it the other way. Already the symbols are very clear, not too many colors. There is only 11 colors and one AB. So here is your picture. Okay, so his face and all that. So it's the face, the background, and these words are not diamond painted. All the rest is, and it looks very clear. So this would be like a short, sweet snack size one. But as you can see, very clear symbols, not too difficult to read. It will be very fast and easy, especially due to, see how clear the symbols are? Due to color blocking. I mean, star is one color, this is one color, inside is one color, around. The only thing that's confetti is his shirt, so, and his thing over here. And his hat is a little confetti, but not too much. So you have Woody. You do have your instruction sheet. I always toss those out because I do not need them. And then we'll just quickly go through the drill. So if you've never diamond painted before, these are how your drill kits come. They usually come in a bag with the number on it and says what it is. So if you want to take it out of the box and keep it a little more organized that way. And then you get your little toolkit, which comes with a diamond painting pen, your wax, your boat, and your stylus grip, and then your drills. So with Diamond Dotz, you actually get 13 facet drills, which I think just make the shine or the glimmer so pretty that when they sparkle, it just sparkles a lot. But other companies do have more facets, but I do really love how the Diamond Dotz facets are. So here's your AB drills. Okay, I don't know if you can really see it or not, but these are the ABs. You have brown, and then quickly you just got another set of brown, a yellowish orange, another brownish red. Ooh, I love that blue. Very pretty blue, another brown, red, of course yellow, because Woody is red and yellow. You got a gray, and is that black? Yep, a little bit of black. Look how little bitty black you got. Usually diamond paintings have a lot of black. So again, this is just a little snack size one. Won't take too long. Little one of Woody. So I'm just going to slide that over to the side. And we'll get into Buzz. Okay, so again, Buzz is 12 by 12. This one does have a little bit more diamond painting than Woody does. So, because it's Buzz's outfit. So we'll get into this really quick. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So again, the background in his face is not. And yes, Diamond Dotz's canvases are on the thicker side. But I kind of like that a little bit because the thicker they are, the easier they are to kind of deal with to me. Sometimes when they're the softer kind, they're not always the easiest to fold and all that crap. Well, so Yes, you can see that's not laying flat. So to get it to lay flat, if you want to, you can just hang it up with some pants hangers, put it under the bed or whatever. But oh my gosh, look how clear this is. So he is a little bit more diamond painting, I feel like, because his whole outfit is diamond painted. He does have background. I mean, it still might be the same. However, this little bitty 12 by 12 has 24 colors. So complete different to the other one. Woodies that we have. You do have one AB. It has the
Woody.
white AB.
Woody.
Yes, Woody.
Woody.
Okay. And then again, if you've never diamond painted, same type package deal. And we'll just quickly go through the drills really quickly.
Buzz.
Okay, baby, thank you.
Oh.
Okay, so again, it's just the same drill kit that you get. Toss that to the side. Stay right there, okay? I'm serious.
Oh, I want my hand to be right there.
Oh.
No.
So quickly, we have the drills. Okay, the colors. You have the greens, the yellows, the oranges, the blues, some more colors. So again, it's 13 facets. As you can see, pretty colors, 24 colors in all. Very cute snack size of Woody and Buzz. So just picture that together in your son's room or in your daughter's or in your Disney room, and how cute that would be diamond painting. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please subscribe and stay tuned.